Hey everybody, welcome back to RC Microverse. We are traveling this week and next week, and I am in I guess a little bit of an unusual place for a hobby shop and racetrack, although we do have one in Fort Worth, which is near me. We are in Manassas, and we are at the IAM RC Hobby Shop. IAM RC Hobby Shop. We're doing a little mini Z racing tonight. Already took first qualifier in the, I guess they call it expert class, but it's really a stock class. They just call it expert if you switch the radio. So let me take you a little bit of a walk around in the hobby shop. So they've got their 50% power class going right now. This is their mini Z track that they lay out on Tuesdays and Sundays. And they also do 1/10 on-road here. So this is actually a great facility here in the mall. They got of course, everybody for the Microverse. You know, we've got to see if they got the mountain block set. And yes, I did bring a crawler that we've run the mountain blocks. And all the usual TRX4s. They got a bunch of the Ascents, Scouts. They got some Scouts. Great display up in the window. We've also got some Red Cat crawlers back there in the corner. Drags. You know, one thing that I walked in that caught my attention is they have this really cool lowrider here in the front. But this, do you know what this is? I bet you think it's a monster truck. I bet you think it's a monster truck. It's not a monster truck. It's actually a TRX 4M with a killer paint job body and some, I think they're probably T-Max tires or something like that. But isn't that thing pretty cool? I like this. They got that really nice, cool looking body on it and big old tires. It looks like a monster truck, but it's actually a TRX 4. Coming around the back, you know, we have the usual battery case, trailer with some Latrax on it, radios, and all the usual. We got some light kits for sledges, all the Traxxas stuff, some pretty good crawler axe or servos in there. That's pretty neat. So let's see what else we got. And then the usual back wall stuff. Arma parts, miscellaneous parts, Traxxas parts. We've got tires down here below. And we're just going to continue around the shop. So more Traxxas parts and other things. They got a huge little tower display of TT02s. Some of these I have never seen. Like that is really cool looking Porsche 911 GT3R. TT02 drift spec. We were at a drift shop the other day. We got the Mustang. I actually have that one. Or did I sell that one? Maybe I sold that one. Thought I had that one. Yeah. They got some TT02s here. Oh, check this out. I like that. It's just cool looking. All right, let's see what else we got around here. And connector wall, parts wall, tracks on slash unassembled. Got some rally cars. You got the mini Z parts and the mini Z collection up here on the wall. That's a pretty cool one. I like that one. I also like this one down here. That's really nice looking. A lot of these we've seen from the shop we go to, Area RC. But I will see if I can get a little footage of the racing for you guys. So they really actually have this really neat kind of pit area here in the back of the shop. It's basically a stock room, but they've set it up with pit tables for everybody to come and run their on-road cars and mini Z cars. So this is kind of really the neat feature back here. Today, of course, we're representing the shop that we race at in Area RC, and we're running our LM. But like I said, since I'm running a Fly Sky Radio, they've got me in the expert class. So running the GT. Oh crap. Running the GT1, Toyota GT1 body, and with some MSM stickers on there, because I got to represent. Anyway, my class is about to be up, and let's see if I can win another heat. Okay, we just put batteries in our car, and we are headed out for another round of qualifying. Let's see if we can do something here.
Jordan Clear.
Let's get a couple test laps in here. Oh, already crashing into stuff. Look at that.
Martin Rauscher.
There we go.
Santiago Neveres. Todd Marshall.
Got each other. I think that's enough warm up.
At the tone, Santiago, it's you.
Santiago Neveres.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Feet of flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop when the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
Hey everybody, so welcome back to RC Microverse. Today is day 2, Sunday, of racing at the Manassas Mall, IAM RC Raceway, I think it's called. So it's kind of early, we're about 10 a.m. Mall doesn't actually open up till 11, so it's kind of quiet around here. But I did happen to go by the store and see that their gate is open. So we're gonna go ahead and in and get a pit space before the crowds show up, and we'll get ourselves set up and charging some batteries. Mini Z. Alright, we're out here at IAM RC. I'm running a box stock class. Borrowed a Kyosho radio so I could run their box stock class. And then I'm running my LM, which is, they're calling it an expert class, but it's really a box stock class with an alternate radio. Right now, for the overall results and the Kyosho stock class, I am sitting with TQ at 25.5. And for their Kyosho Expert class, I am sitting at second with a 28.522. So we'll see how things go. I'll let you know. I'll probably try to record the mains, and I'll let you know how things end up. All right, we're going out for our stock class A main. I believe I'm starting in second, and we'll record the whole heat so you guys can see what's going on.
All right, so the lining up order is Santiago, you're up front. 3.8 seconds ahead of Santiago. Roberto, 11.7 seconds behind Santiago. Marcus has held on to that fourth place spot. He is... Oh, Charles took it from him. Every time I talk about it, Charles jumps up and is like, wait a minute. It's almost like I'm reminding Charles to drive or something. Marcus, 1 minute 20 seconds to go. Charles is right there. 50 seconds. Ready, Marshall on the track. 40 seconds to go. Anthony, Santiago, Roberto, Charles, Marcus, Mike, and Ken. Currently a battle between Ken and Mike at 6th place position. And then you have Anthony now in 2nd place. Santiago challenged for that 1st place and took it 0.4 seconds with 25 seconds to go. Guys, watch those top cars there, purple and then purple with the white stripe. That is your 1st and 2nd place car, very close together. Now making it down the back straight, that is your 1st and 2nd, neck to neck right there. Let them through, let them through. They got 5 seconds. This is the last lap, ladies and gentlemen, down the back straight. Anthony out front, Santiago 2nd place. Oh, you guys are done. Good race. Roberto, Charles, you guys are still hot. All drivers have finished. Good race. Santiago and Anthony battled that out the entire race. Anthony comes out on top.
All right, well, we're heading out to today. Good day of my Mini Z racing. Ended up 2nd in the Kyosho stock class. And due to some driver error and traffic, ended up 4th in the expert, what they call the expert class. But otherwise, a good day of running, good people here. Thank you for having racing here at IAM RC. Have a good one. All right, signing off. Have a good one. Like and subscribe if you want to see what I have left next.